In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove family members from Amazon Prime. If you've shared your Prime benefits through Amazon Household, sometimes shown as Amazon Family, this is the place where all sharing is managed. We'll use the desktop site because it's the most straightforward and consistent across accounts. Start by going to Amazon's website and signing in to the account that manages your household, typically the main Prime account. Hover over the Accounts and Lists menu at the top of the page and click Your Account. On the Account page, look for Amazon Household or Amazon Family. Open that section, then choose Manage Your Household. You'll see the people currently linked to your household, including adults, teens, and child profiles if you've set those up. Find the person you want to remove. Next to their name, click Remove. Amazon will ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm the removal. That's it. The change takes effect immediately. There's no extra approval step, and you don't need to notify the other person for it to process. Here's what happens right after removal. The person you removed loses access to all Prime benefits shared through your household, including free Prime shipping, Prime Video, and any shared digital content such as Kindle books or Audible titles that were available through the shared library. Your own Prime membership stays active on your account, and your access to your content and benefits is unchanged. The person you removed keeps anything they personally purchased on their own account. They just won't see items you were sharing. There are a couple of important restrictions to know before you confirm. You won't be able to re-add the same adult to your household for 180 days, which is about 6 months. During that same period, that adult also can't join any other household. If you think you might want to share again soon, consider this cooling off period before you proceed. If you're removing a child or teen profile, the process is slightly different inside the same area. Open their profile, choose Edit, and then select Remove. This only affects their household access. It doesn't delete your main account or change your parental controls outside of the household context. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you're signed in as the correct household manager. If you don't see Amazon Household right away, look for Manage Your Household within your account settings. And finally, double-check the name you're removing, especially if multiple profiles look similar. That's the full process to remove family members from Amazon Prime using Amazon Household.